Okay, so today we are going to be doing another Lego block video. So for today's Lego blocks, you might need some of these. This is not needed, so this thing, I'm going to take out the wheel. So this piece without the wheel, and this piece, the two pieces of this. Two pieces of these and two pieces of the wheels and some of these blocks. A blue one which has 4 pips, dots or things to connect with, and in the bottom there's 3 things to connect it with. And the 2 things to connect with, I think 2 of these, and the glass clear one. So today we are going to be making a car. So how you make a car with Legos? First take some of these pieces and then take these 2 wheels. Take one of these pieces and you see this clip. See the clip. See this clip over here. That clip over there. Now we are going to put it in like this. Now put the wheel in the clip. It's supposed to look like this. Like that. So once you have that, do the same thing with the other one. And then you have 2 of these, right? Now you should be ended up with these. Now we have 2 of these parts. Now we need to focus on the car body. Now take one of the glass pieces. If you have all of these pieces and if you have the same thing as mine, then you can make this car. But if not, if you don't have the correct materials to make this car, you can click off. Or if you want to buy the materials, all this or this box, you can buy a store. But the body, take one of these blue parts, that one, exactly this one. Now the blue piece, and get the clear piece and stick it on the edge 3 pieces and 3 pieces and 4 pieces. Now stick it onto there. Now you have these 2, right? Now we don't need that. You're going to get a block looking like this. A red triangle block. No, it's not a triangle. Now stick it like this, facing that way. The pointer should be facing that way. You should end up with this after you run. End up with this. And then you have to grab these two, the two wheel pieces. Now flip it over to the bottom of the thing, and now get one wheel piece. Stick it on perfectly. It has to face forward. Both wheels have to face forward. If you don't, the car will be sloppy like this. And this is actually usable. If you stick it on like this and stuff, that doesn't look good, and it will not like drive properly. It will drive like this. So that's why you want to put all the two wheels in the correct position. And then that's it for the car. If you also want to use the two orange pieces, you can go ahead. I'm going to show you guys how to do it. This is how you do it, or else you can do this. You can also do this however you want. Look at it. If you can't catch up, you can pause the video. You can pause the video to see if you can do it. Alright, that's the end of the video. Bye.